And just slide the wire down in there. Press it together. Do this a couple of times to ensure that you got it perfectly. And there you are. And that's how you connect your leads. And you can see right there, it's together. It's not going anywhere. This goes into your stereo. This goes into your car's plug. They call it a harness, but it's basically an adaptive plug that plugs into your car, which makes this 10 times easier. Okay, this is your quick connect, and this is the basic bottom line. This is how everything looks after you've connected together. And this is what you would call a splice connect. And as you can see, this is the hot line going into the aftermarket radio from your plug to your car. And as you can see, I tied it off a little bit because it's only supposed to have 2, but I got 3 and I clipped it off. And in case you all don't know what that is, well, they're nothing but quick connects. This is what they look at. I went to a Walmart and just bought, for like $2. Where all it does is allow you to make a splice connection. You can see on the back of it right here what it basically does. You can take a connection from one and make 2 out of it. So now that all that's done, it's all tied together and connected. I got one leftover wire right here, and all that is basically for an amp, but it's tied off because I don't have an amp. But it is now connected, so the next step is to plug it into the aftermarket radio and install it into the car.